Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So I am back with another Redbubble video, and this one is about how to make sure that your greeting cards show up correctly on Redbubble. So I went ahead and uploaded a test item. I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like afterwards, and then I'm going to show you how to fix this. Okay, so if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I drop a new video, and let's get into it. So I'm going to go over here to my Redbubble, and I just found this image on Canva. I created it as a test work. So here are some of the products. I'm not going to enable them all because I'm basically just here to show you this section right here. So if you see this picture right now, what I uploaded was a 5,000 by 5,000, and it's enabled for prints, cards, and posters. Okay. So you can hit edit here just to see, kind of what that is about. It has cards, metal prints, canvas, photographic print, posters, all of that great stuff. Okay, so that's the main thing that we're talking about when it comes to greeting cards. It's going to go all the way down. I don't know if you guys saw some of the new products as well in Redbubble. I'm just going to put this as photography. I'm not going to add it to a collection because, again, this is a test. And then said I have the right to sell this product. So once you hit save, it normally shows you every single product that you created, what it looks like on the items when you scroll down. And this is kind of your time to check to see if things appear right for your items. Like, is this looking good on this shirt? Do I need to make this a different size for this leggings? And so on. So we're going to wait till this pops up, and it'll show you all of your designs for that image. And then we'll start to scroll down, see the magnets, premium shirts, laptop skin, sticker, transparent sticker, iPad case, cases, artboard print, canvas prints. So you see this, how this postcard look, and you don't have the complete image on the postcard, right? So we're going to fix that. Let's see, does it show? Trying to see if it shows the greeting card, and see how it doesn't show all the way on the greeting card. We're going to fix that because we want that whole image to be covered. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. All right, so remember, look at the postcard here and then look at the greeting card there. All right, so I'm going to go over to my 5,000 by 5,000 image. And we're going to go over to resize, and I'm using Canva. You can use a different website or service, and we need to change the ratio to 1300 by 900. Okay. And then I'm going to just hit copy and resize. So now it's a different ratio, right? I've already downloaded my actual image, but I wanted to show you guys how you can upload a better image for these products, right? So now we're going to go back to the top, and we're going to hit edit in our Redbubble account. And then I'm just going to scroll down to the artboard and prints and cards, and I'm hit edit. Once it comes up, I'm going to hit edit, and I'm going to hit replace image. So I already did my print, so that's the 1300 by 900. And I'm going to upload that there. You can already see how it looks different. Remember, it looked like a square? It's because it's a different ratio, okay? So I'm going to go back down, save this as before, and then we're going to look at the new postcard and greeting card. And then you can see the difference. So sometimes you have to go in and change the ratio of the size of certain products to make the image look the way that it needs to appear, so you can sell your greeting cards and postcard. Who wants a postcard of the ocean when half of the ocean is not on the postcard or the greeting card? If it's an all over, entire thing, let it be consistent and fluent with your image. So we're scrolling down to that postcard, and you're going to immediately see the difference. Okay, guess we ain't get there yet. Where is it? Sometimes they put them in the same spot, sometimes they don't. So bear with me. Okay, so here's the greeting card. Now you see a big difference. Looks amazing. And where's the postcard? Did I pass it, y'all? And here's the postcard. So completely, you know, different look. It looks completely different. And that's just something sometimes that you have to do in Redbubble to get that image to look the way you want it. So I hope that helped you guys. I know I've showed you guys stuff like this before for like the stickers, how to upload sticker packs, how to upload multiple stickers in one thing, how to change the size of your stickers when you have like an all over print like this. And this was just showing you how to properly upload your greeting card and change the ratio for a seamless design on Redbubble. Again, I am Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this and love you more than I love this video. Peace.